Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Alright, y'all, it's still about peaches. I guess y'all tired of my peach videos. Now I'm doing a video y'all seen probably 7-8 times. But this is the first time you ever see me make it with real, fresh, juicy peaches. So I'm going to make a peach cobbler. I'm going to make it in my glass casserole dish, which I very seldom do. I do this because I make a special, I put extra crust when I use this. So I'm going to make it in this casserole dish. It's going to be more peaches than juice though. Only all time you'll see me add more peaches than juice because these peaches are so fresh and delicious. It's nothing like I told y'all, it's nothing like fresh peaches. Frozen won't do it, canned peaches won't do it. But if you make peach cobbler out of fresh peaches, it's nothing comparable. This has to be near my top 2 desserts ever. So anyway, I'm going to step off. I'm going to peel these peaches, get them all peeled and sliced up. And then we're going to, you know the procedure, pineapple juice, cinnamon, nutmeg, sugar, vanilla, butter, thicken it up with cornstarch, and that's it. So anyway, we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I am back. Look how pretty these peaches are. Okay, y'all. Now, you know the next step here, I'm going to put in my peach. Y'all know this old pot here? I use it only for my peach cobblers, y'all, my cobblers. Been had this pot for years. This old pot right here. Get over here. A little pineapple juice. Y'all know I use pineapple juice instead of water. Y'all follow me enough. Y'all already know. But this time I'm not going to use a lot of pineapple juice. It's going to be perfectly 50% juice, 50% peaches. Move that over here. Put my sugar, put a little vanilla in here. Put my sugar in here. Now when you're working with fresh peaches, the sugar may vary because depending on the sweetness of the peaches. Put a little nutmeg in here. Cinnamon. And butter here. And I'm going to let this thing come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, y'all, we're going to put butter in there. We're going to tighten it up with the cornstarch. And that is it. So it takes about 15 minutes here to get it to come to a boil and all that. And then I'll come back once it comes to a boil. I add my cornstarch in it. And then we'll finish this peach cobbler up. So we'll be right back. Alright, y'all, while I'm waiting on this stuff to boil here, my peaches to boil, I'm going to go on and put my first layer of my dough in my peach cobbler dish, casserole dish. I guess it's peach cobbler dish today, huh? Okay. Put that dough up in there. Like I say, I'm using extra dough today, y'all. I'm using extra. I'm using 3 layers of dough today. It's gonna be an extra good peach cobbler. I just use 2 pieces. I'm using 4 pieces this time, y'all. So we're gonna let a lot of crust on this thing, y'all. There's gonna be a lot of crust on this cobbler. Okay. And I'm gonna put dough on the top and 2 on the bottom. So it's gonna be a lot of crust here. Make sure you seal that up there. And that's pretty much it. Like I say, people wonder, oh, it's not old school if you don't make your own crust. I have an awesome crust recipe. I used to make crust growing up, making pie crust. And once I got in the kitchen, and when I'm usually cooking, I have 5, 6, sometimes 7 different things going on at a time when I'm doing parties. Making pie crust is the last thing I want to deal with. That's messy, and it's just time consuming, and I'd rather make a perfect pot of something else, or make a perfect cake or something than dealing with pie dough, pie crust. So anyway, I'll be right back here, y'all. Once this thing starts boiling, I add my cornstarch to it. put the filling in there and we'll finish this thing off. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back. Okay, it's starting to boil here. Now I'm gonna just add the cornstarch to this. Remember, you want cornstarch and water. Now this need to come back up to a complete boil to reach the full thickening power when you add cornstarch to something. This stuff here is smelling good. It's looking good here. I already tasted it. I didn't need to add no more sugar, no more vanilla, nothing, y'all. Might have to add a little bit more cornstarch. I want it really thick, y'all. Boil there, come up to a boil here, and I'm gonna see if I need to add some more. Man, them peaches, nothing like fresh peaches. I'm telling you, I keep saying it, but just nothing like it. A little bit more cornstarch to this. Like I said, I want it really thick, y'all. Oh yeah. Like that. That's how I want it. Perfect, 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 perfect. Like I told y'all, when this stuff started popping, pretty much tell you it's ready. Oh yeah. It's as good as you can get right there, y'all. Okay. Now, turn this over here to my pan here, and we're gonna lay all that in there like that. Oh yeah, get all that goodness out of there. Get all that goodness out of there, y'all. Okay, spread that around there. Now what we're gonna do, go with the top crust, y'all. I'm gonna do the crisscross. Now, ain't gonna be nothing perfect, y'all know me. I just want to get the crust on there. I don't have to be perfect. Don't have to be perfect. Put this butter over. I can just know this is gonna be good, y'all. Been waiting all summer for this, y'all. All summer for this. My peaches are coming in where I can make my cobbler. And like I tell y'all, this is nothing fancy with this. Just get the crust on there the best you can. And I'm putting a lot of crust on here. Growing up, of course, this was a summer favorite, y'all. All right, put the other crust on there. Like I say, there's gonna be a lot of crust in this cobbler. Growing up in the summer, man, when mama make a peach cobbler, man, that was a highlight. We used fresh peaches because we had peach trees in our yard. Growing up. We had peach trees, plum trees, pear trees, and all the fruit trees. Just like I got a big peach tree in the backyard here, but the freeze back in February, it didn't kill it. It just delayed its growth on some of the peaches. So it's all good. I'll just do without this year and buy my own like I did. Okay. Couple more strips here. You'll see a lot of peach dough in this one, y'all. A lot of dough in here. Don't get no better than this. Can't never have too much crust, right? Alrighty. Now, put my butter on here and my sugar, and we going to the oven with this, y'all. Put my cold butter on here. And this is salted butter too, y'all. A little saltiness on the top of this would go with the sugar. Ooh. Hey, it's good flavor. Good flavor there. A little bit more here. Let's see. Oh, and this is not for the healthy at heart, y'all. This peach cobbler right here. This is all butter and sugar, y'all. Okay. Now, put some sugar on here. And we're going to be good to go in the oven. That's it, y'all. 350 degrees. It'll take about 45 minutes. I check it after 30. Just like I do all my other ones. Y'all have seen this so many times. And we'll be back when this thing is hot and bubbling out the oven. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, look at that. Fresh out the oven. Still bubbling, y'all. I'm definitely going to let this one cool pretty much completely. For about an hour, I'm going to let it cool there. See how pretty golden brown. Like I said, I didn't want a lot of juice in this one. I want an equal amount of juice and peaches. Because I was using fresh peach. And you'll see once I let it cool off and scoop it out, how perfectly the juice and peach distribution will be. So anyway, this is my childhood right here. Growing up with peach cobbler made with fresh peaches. Not out of the can, not frozen, but fresh peaches off the tree. My mama used to make it just like this. Exactly like this. So yeah, it's just bringing back memories. So hopefully it's bringing back memories for y'all too. So anyway, I will be back in about an hour, y'all. And then we'll cut this peach cobbler and see how it is. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. I let this cool off as long as I could, y'all. So we're gonna get a little out this corner here. You know that crust, gotta have that crust, y'all. Look at that. Oh my God. And see, like I say, this is not as juicy as I normally have it. Ain't no wrong with this, y'all. Oh yeah, and once this cool up, it's really gonna be thicker. But look, give y'all a close up. Look at that. Still hot. Ain't go wrong, y'all, with peach cobbler. Let me try a little taste here. Look how tender those peaches are, y'all. Look at that. Oh my God. Nothing beats a peach cobbler made with fresh peaches. I'm actually going to take about a dozen of these peaches and freeze them whole, so I'll have at least one more peach cobbler, fresh peaches for another peach cobbler in the next, 3 months. So anyway, y'all, let me close this video out. I'm just so surreal. I love this stuff. But I'm going to leave this alone for right now. I got to eat my dinner. And this is definitely my dessert for tonight. But anyway, let me close this video out. Like I close every video out. Please follow my other social media accounts. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, Twitter, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2021, help somebody, old school soul food. And until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Let me show y'all one more time before I close out. Look at that, give y'all a close up. This is hot now. Ooh, it's hot to my hand. Look at that. It's amazing, amazing. Another peach haul down in the books, y'all. Y'all have a good day. Love y'all. Bye.